you're gonna be portraying yourself and magpakailanman. So, anong aspects ba ng buhay mo yung makikita namin dito?
Abangan po nila lahat, yung behind Alden Richards, there's a Richard Fulkerson, the real me. So, parang abangan nila kung ano yung mga struggles ko sa buhay before. And when my mom was alive, she was the one who implanted this dream sa akin. And I really wanted to live this out for her. And abangan nila kung paano talaga ako nagsimula, yung hardship, yung struggles ko, yung sadness, yung depressed days, times ng buhay ko, darkest days of my life. It's gonna be one of the most, I should say, one of the most inspiring story kasi it really talks about dreams na talaga nagkakatotoo and yung love ko sa mom ko and my mother and son relationship and how I value my family.
So, was it more difficult to portray yourself?
Yes. Talagang mahirap siya kasi you really have to go back to those events na you shot. Talagang tinalikuran mo na, ayaw mo nang maalala. And I had a hard time talaga acting out myself kasi I really don't want to go back to the story. Pero I wanted to inspire people with my story and I hope that they would be inspired. Abangan niyo po, ako si Alden Richards as I play myself sa The Alden Richards Story sa Magpakailanman, Saturday, March 9, 7 p.m.